Okay, so I just finished watching the Chiefs and Patriots football game. I'm so proud of my Chiefs. Oh my goodness. I'm also proud of, I'm a businesswoman, so I'm also proud of Arrowhead Stadium because they banked tonight, okay? The Patriots came over there. Oh, wow. So they banked it out tonight, so I'm excited about that too. Go Arrowhead, go Arrowhead. All right, no, but no, it was a good game. It was a good game. Congrats, Patriots. And okay, hey geeks, welcome to the TG2M conversation where the only tea we serve is positivity. I'm KayeCee Austin. How are you guys doing? Okay, so today we're going to go over a few tips to help you de-stress and refresh. All right. So the first one is if you want to de-stress, do push-ups, pull-ups, or crunches. Okay. Number 2, take 10 to 15 deep breaths. Like that. Number 3, meditate for about 10 to 30 minutes, okay? If you want to do a little bit more, you can. But 10 to 30 minutes is pretty good. Number 4, take a 10 to 30 minute walk by yourself. Number 5, kick a ball around or toss it in the air and catch it for 10 to 20 minutes. That's one of my favorites. I do that actually. Number 6, I do this one too. Toss a baseball or wiffle ball in the air and hit it with a plastic bat for about 20 minutes. Good de-stressor. Number 7, toss a volleyball in the air and spike it for 20 minutes. Another one of my favorites. Number 8, take a slow walk without talking and just admire the scenery with a friend or a loved one. Number 9, listen to music. Number 10, find your top 3 upbeat favorite songs and listen to those, okay? And try to smile in between each one. So after the first one, just like really focus on smiling. Breathe deep and smile. And then put the next one on. And number 11, number 11, a topic about de-stressing wouldn't be complete if we didn't add this one. So gotta add it, right? So number 11 is a lunchtime quickie or a break time quickie with your partner or spouse. Okay, so yes, those were 11 ways that you can de-stress and refresh. Okay, so sometimes you don't have the luxury of 20 to 30 minutes to de-stress. So here are a few 10-minute de-stressors that you can do, okay? The first one is chew gum. The second one is write down 10 things that you're grateful for. The next one is head outside and listen to your favorite tunes on your whatever device that you have on your phone, okay? The next is stretch. Do some stretches. And you can even meditate. We talked about meditating already, but meditate. The next one is count to 10. Next one, dance. The next one, punch a pillow. Next, spend time with your pets or your friends. Ooh, this one's my favorite. Sit in the sun. Oh, I love that. That's a really good de-stressor. Sitting in the sun. Ooh, yes. Give yourself a neck massage. Yes, I like that one too. All right, take a shower if you have time. Take a shower. And this one goes along with some of the ones I love that we talked about earlier. This one is kick a soccer ball. Yes. And let's see, these are good. Read an inspirational quote. Yes, quotes are good for de-stressing. Let's see. Journal. That's the final one. Journaling. Journaling is a really good de-stressor. You only need a few minutes for that, for sure. All right, so I'm KayeCee Austin with the TG2M Conversation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.